Hello, I'm Sandra, the creator at Sing, Play, Create, and today I have a fun scarf movement activity to a simple song called Snowflake, Snowflake. It's sung to the tune of Twinkle Little Star, and I rewrote the words, and I'm going to show you how to teach this to your children from preschool through second grades. I hope you'll take a second and subscribe to this channel so you get the weekly music and movement activities. Let's get started. I'm going to take you through the steps that I use to teach this to my students. First, I'm going to sing the song and have the children pat their knees on the beat. After they hear the song, I will have them repeat the words back to me, and I might have them clap the rhythm of the words. Next, we'll sing the song together, and I'll reteach as needed any of the lines that they're struggling with. And finally, I will listen as they sing the song to me. I'm just looking for them to know the song good enough so we can move on with our scarf movement activity. Here's how the song goes. The second thing I'll have them do is pat their knees to the music. I will echo teach the words. This goes like this. Snowflake, snowflake, floating free. And then I listen. So I'm going to do that to each line of this song. Twirl around and dance with me. Touch my head and touch my toes. Brush my face and kiss my nose. Snowflake, snowflake, floating free. Twirl around and dance with me. So I will echo teach those words. Now we're ready to learn the hand actions. I'm going to ask them to get out their fingers and we're going to wiggle them. We'll be standing and wiggling our fingers. And we'll say one line at a time, and I'll have them copy my hand actions. Snowflake, snowflake, floating free. I'll have them copy that back to me. Twirl around and dance with me. Touch my head and touch my toes. Brush my face and kiss my nose. Then the first two lines repeat, just like in Twinkle Little Star. Snowflake, snowflake, floating free. Twirl around and dance with me. You may want to just sing the song with the hand actions in the first class time and then do the scarf movement the next class. Here are the actions for the scarf movement. The first action is going to be crisscross, and we want to make sure we're going like this. So it's going to be snowflake, snowflake, floating free. Then the next line, you can do it two different ways. You can do twirl like this, or even twirl around the head, or swirl like this. It just depends on what you want to do. There's some choices. Twirl around and dance with me. And then we're not going to necessarily touch all the body parts, so we want to explain to them we're looking for really high and low and across and a toss. So those are going to be the 4 actions for touch my head, touch my toes, brush my face, and kiss my nose. Kiss my nose, kiss my nose. Then it repeats, snowflake, snowflake, floating free, twirl around and dance with, and at the end have them toss me. Now let's put it with the music. If you like this scarf activity, you can find a lot more scarf activities on the Sing Play Create Kids music channel, and we also have them in the Sing Play Create store on TPT and on our website. Also, if you want to join our free resource club, there's lots of scarf activities in there too you can download for free. I hope your students will enjoy this scarf activity. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and give it a thumbs up. Let's keep kids moving and learning with music.